Let's make chicken Yakhni Pulao. Add garlic, ginger, and chicken in water. Add salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. Add 1 cup of oil in the pot. Add onion. Add mace, nutmeg, cinnamon sticks, cloves, black cardamom, and red peppercorn. Add cumin seeds and coriander seeds too. Add ginger and garlic paste. Add green chilies and tomato. Add yogurt. Add potatoes. Take out chicken and put it in. Masala. Add all yakhni in it. Add black pepper. Add rice in it. Add some fried onions. Finally, it's done. It was so yummy and delicious. I like pulao.